right. So why did you come today?
I came today because I have a lot of ideas. I already have a business that I feel it's very good, but I have a sense that it's time to give it the next step, and I wasn't so confident about it.
And what was your favorite part of today?
My favorite part was when we connect our talents with something that we have interest in and our communities. Oh my God! I think my English is.
No, that's okay. It's okay. I'll ask you
No.
a different question.
Okay.
What did you get out of today?
I get the confidence that I was looking for, because when I wrote everything that it was on my head, I could see that it's not so difficult as it seems, and I could think about the next week and the next one, like one step at a time.
Nice. And who do you think should come?
I think it's for people who want to be an entrepreneur that really can fit your desires with a lifestyle that is for you. So maybe entrepreneurs wanna be. Is that all right?
Yeah.